Hey all, welcome to Al's Tech Corner. This is 2014, January the 1st. We're going to talk about the a170 Fasco motor, used mainly in Keeprite, ICP, Heil, Tempstar, and Comfort Maker furnaces. This is the back of it. A lot of times you're going to need a restrictor plate that goes in there. You must put it back on. Okay, if you have one on the old one, that must go back on. Back in that area. You also see it takes an O-ring around here, around that section. See it? Goes around there. You also have gaskets here, and you have a gasket down here as well. Right on there, you get a gasket. Make sure the O-ring's put back on. Okay, make sure when you bolt this down, that this is sealed properly. Okay, you don't want no exhaust gases going other than outside. Okay, so that's what it looks like, 3D. Okay, that's what they look like. So make sure you're getting the right motor. The a170 by Fasco. Now, here's what it might look like on your screen. On our website, it'll look similar to this. Okay. Now, this is a pressure switch. This is a control board, motherboard, main control board, whatever you want to call it, on a furnace. And this is what an igniter might look like to you. Okay, that's a plain igniter, glow plug. Okay, so what happens is this motor starts up when you have a call for heat. Down here, it creates a vacuum out of here. Okay, so that there connects to a hose. This is called a vacuum hose. So when this puppy starts up, creates a vacuum here, comes over here to this diaphragm, pressure switch diaphragm. So it closes the diaphragm in here. Here, I'm going to suck on this just so that you can hear that. Listen to this. Hear that? Okay. So what happens is, this will close that pressure switch. It'll say, hey, it's okay, this is working. Okay, that means we're exhausting properly. Closed contacts. Let's start up. Let's go back to the control board. And it'll say, okay, go ahead and start up the furnace. Okay, so what it'll do, come over here to the igniter. This is 3D dimension there. And it'll glow this here. This will turn hot red, like really, really hot. And that will ignite the gas. Okay? That's how that works. Okay, so now we have these in stock. You can find these at furnacemotors.ca. That's furnace, F-U-R-N-A-C-E, motors, M-O-T-O-R-S.ca. We are not in the States, so it's a .ca domain name. Okay, so .ca is where you want to go. Now, you can get this motor cheaper in the States. Only problem is it's going to take you a month for it to come in. We've already brought it in from the States. That's why it costs a little bit more here. But you will get this motor, you know, within a day or so. Not like you will in the States. You're going to have to pay tariff fees. You're going to have to pay import taxes. And it may take up to a month to get this motor. If you want to be nice and chilly for the next month, go ahead and buy from the States. But or you can get it through our website at furnacemotors.ca. We do have them in stock. And this is Al at Al's Tech Corner. And just to let you know, here's some more numbers that correspond to this particular motor. I'm going to go by here slowly. The numbers at the bottom, the 7021 numbers, those are all Fasco numbers. Okay. Now when you get down here further to the end, you'll see a 1010312 number. That's actually the manufacturer's part number. Okay. So that number is usually from Keeprite, ICP, Heil, those guys. Okay, but the actual motor is an A170, and it goes by these other numbers here, 7021 numbers. Okay. We do have these in stock at furnacemotors.ca. And it's Al's Tech Corner, and I hope you get some idea how this motor actually works in your furnace. And have a good day.